The goal of this talk is to help us better understand the question of beauty. What is beauty? How does the brain decide what is beautiful? Why do certain configuration of line and color and form excite us? We're beginning to glimpse the why and the how of beauty, at least in certain terms of what it means for the human face and form. There are three parameters that contribute to what makes a face attractive. Those parameters include averaging, symmetry, and the effects of hormones. Composite or average faces are normally more attractive. Average faces represent the central tendencies of a group. People with mixed features represent different populations and harbor greater genetic diversity and adaptability to the environment. Many people find mixed-race individuals attractive and inbred families less attractive. The second fact that contributes to beauty is symmetry. People usually find symmetric faces more attractive than asymmetric ones. Developmental abnormalities are often associated with asymmetries. In plants, animals, and humans, asymmetries often come from infections. Symmetry is an indicator of health. The third factor is the effect of hormones. Estrogen and testosterone play important roles in shaping features that we find attractive. Estrogen produces features that signal fertility. Men typically find women attractive who have elements of both youth and maturity. Testosterone produces features that we see typically as masculine. These include heavier brows, thinner cheeks, and bigger squared-off jaws. We associate beauty with goodness. We have a beauty is good stereotype embedded in our brain. There's overlapping neural activity in response to beauty and to goodness, and this happens when people aren't exactly thinking about beauty or goodness. Our brains reflexively associate beauty and good. Attractive people receive advantages in life. They are seen to be more intelligent, more trustworthy. They are given higher pay and less punishment when such judgments are not warranted. People with face disfigurements are considered as less good, less kind, less intelligent, less competent, and less hardworking. Just like we have a beauty is good stereotype, we also have a disfigured is bad stereotype. This talk comes in connection with Chapter 8 in the book. As I said earlier, humans tend to have a beauty is good stereotype. Instead of linking beauty with good qualities, Chapter 8 explains the personality theories and what really makes up a beautiful personality. By processing how the mind processes beauty and being aware of the attributes that are associated with appearance, more fair judgments can be made. Instead of assuming that someone who is beautiful is trustworthy and has good character, really pay attention to the things they do and say. Just because somebody has disfigurements does not mean they are any less trustworthy or of bad character. Chatterjee studied cognitive neuroscience and neuroethics at Harvard College and the University of Pennsylvania. He is a professor of neurology at the Perelman School of Medicine at the University of Pennsylvania.